Welcome to the Immigrant's Way podcast with the immigration attorney Margaret W. Wong with over 40 years of experience. Enjoy.
Hey, my name is Margaret Wong, and today's topic is the recently announced U visa work permit when you're waiting for the U visa to come to your number on the long line. That's what we call a 14 and 15 work permit, a C14, C15. You file that work permit by filling out the form 765. My advice is if you need to talk to your lawyer and see if they filed it initially, because when my law firm filed U visa, I already filed two work permit. One is the 2-year work permit on deferred action. Another one is the 4-year work permit after your U visa is applied. But under Trump administration, they normally don't approve the U visa case on a deferred action, or very rarely do they do that. So you have to wait for 5 or 6 years to get the 4-year visa, because lately U visa is really delayed and a lot of people are applying for it. So my recommendation now, in view of the new U visa work permit, is double check your file to see if your lawyer or whoever helped you file the paperwork filed this work permit under the deferred action. If you never filed it, file it now. You use the 765 form or ask your lawyer to file it for you. So when the government approves your deferred action, they immediately, the same day, approve your work permit. And that's only a 2-year work permit, but you can extend every 2 years until the 4 years are met. Then you can apply for the green card. 3 years after, 3 years and 1 day after you got the 4-year work permit, which is the A19 and A20. That's how you do the U visa. Another question we always get is, should we write them a letter to push them on the U visa deferred action, or they know? Right now, I'm just a little bit worried about that letter, because for you and I, it's easy to do one letter, but for the government, I just don't want, because they want to print out the letter, put it in your file, and then go back to the line. I'm just a little bit worried that you may lose your line, your spot in the line, because there are hundreds and thousands of U visas pending, and I just don't want the government people, because they're very busy. They don't care about you and I. They care about their bosses who are pushing them to adjudicate or grant deferred action. So maybe if you're not filed the 14 and 15 work permit, go ahead and file it now. Make your own decisions. Sometimes, as immigrants, as newcomers, we have to work from our gut and our knowledge. You cannot just trust anybody. My friend said this, my lawyer said that, the not-for-profit said this. You trust yourself, all right? Again, my name is Margaret Wong. Please do follow us.